Imagine this. It's 2027, and your brand new home can't have an oil or gas boiler. Your only option? Something cleaner, greener, and hopefully cheaper. But will it actually save you money? Today we're breaking down whether solar heat pump systems can replace oil or gas boilers in UK new build homes after 2027. Stay tuned, the numbers might surprise you. From 2027, the UK will ban the sale and installation of oil and gas boilers in all new-build homes. Right now, a four-bedroom house with 5 people spends about £1,660 a year on heating with oil or gas. Switch that to an electric boiler, and costs could rocket to £5,500 a year. That's over 3 times higher. So what's the realistic alternative? For homes off the gas grid, the best option is a solar panel heat pump combo. It's not just about going green, it's about cutting running costs and avoiding fossil fuels. Here's the simple version. Solar panels with battery storage produce free electricity during the day. A heat pump, usually air-to-water or ground-to-water, uses that electricity to pull heat from the air or ground. It's incredibly efficient. 1 kilowatt electricity in and 3 kilowatts of heat out. Together they can heat your home supply, hot water, appliances, and lighting. Let's compare real costs for a 4-bedroom home. Oil boiler system. Appliances and lighting £1,218. Heating and hot water £1,663. Total £2,881 per year. Solar heat pump combo. All electricity £3,218. That's £337 more per year to run. So right now, purely on cost, oil still wins. Upfront cost? Oil boiler about £3,000. Solar heat pump around £26,580. That's £22,362 more upfront. And no payback yet. The reason? Oil is still too cheap, and electricity is still too expensive. Here's the good news. There are grants and VAT perks to soften the blow. In England and Wales, the boiler upgrade scheme gives up to £7,500. Across the UK, heat pumps have 0% VAT. In Northern Ireland, low-income households can get the system completely free. If you live off the gas grid, from 2027, you might not have much choice. While the running cost is slightly higher, now you will be future-proofing your home, reducing fossil fuel use, boosting your energy independence, and qualifying for incentives. And as solar prices drop and oil prices rise, the numbers will look a lot better. Before deciding, check your grant eligibility, get a full cash flow analysis, and compare at least 3 quotes. Here are common myths about solar and heat pump. Running costs are huge. No, only £337 more per year right now. All oil and gas boilers are banned after 2027. No, only in new builds. I have to pay everything myself. No, if you qualify for grants. Want free quotes for a solar heat pump combo in your area? Please email me or subscribe for my free solar ROI calculator and 2025 UK incentives guide. And don't miss the next video. Solar Series number 3. Is solar power worth it for UK businesses and commercial? For any questions, please leave your message here.